What's good? So today we're going to be talking about the REALME Note 50, and honestly this phone has gone through a lot in the hands of tech creators and reviewers solely because for a budget phone it has one of the best build qualities. But today we're going to just do an unboxing and a review. My first impression of the Note 50 is that it's a pretty solid, sleek little phone that fits perfectly in your hand. It comes in two colorways, midnight black and sky blue. The build quality and design is also quite impressive. It's a plastic back and frame, but don't let the plastic fool you, it's surprisingly durable. Onto the display, it's a 720p IPS LCD panel with up to 550 nits of peak brightness and a 90Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling and switching between apps smooth and efficient. It might not be the sharpest screen out there, but it does get the job done. In regards to performance, under the hood, it runs on the Unisoc Tiger T612 chipset. It's a budget chipset, so don't expect crazy gaming powerhouse performance, but it works perfectly for everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and light gaming. It additionally comes with either 3 or 4 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage that is more than enough for most people. The camera setup is pretty standard. It's a 13 megapixel primary camera that takes decent photos in good lighting condition, but the low light performance isn't great, but this is expected at the price point of this phone. It has a 5 megapixel front camera that is relatively okay for video calls and selfies. It's powered by a 5000 mAh battery that will easily last you up to a full day of heavy usage. The fast charging is also a nice bonus. You can go from 0 to 100 in about an hour and a half. So tell me, for 11,000 to 14,000 Kenyan shillings, would you get the REALME Note 50? That's about it for today. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.